Hello there guys, today I bring to you this car lighter charger. It connects via car lighter, as you can see here. It comes with this connection here. Okay, you can insert it and you have this one working. I fixed it beside the car seat. Okay, it multiplies the lighter connections. This one have two connections with 12 volts each other, and two USB connections with 5 volts each one. Okay, so it comes with a fuse protection and works very well, as you can see. No problem till present moment with it. Works very good, and it's a great product. I bought it on GearBest mobile app. So go to GearBest mobile app or their website and buy one for you. Okay people, goodbye till next video.